Good morning, everyone. Welcome to new series, and I am your host Kumar, and 17 years experience into Microsoft world. And if you have any technical query related to Windows servers, Azure infrastructure security, please reach out to me at the rate trainer at the rate LogicIT.IN and subscribe my YouTube channel LogicIT.IN. So in this call, I am going to explain the most awaited exam released by Microsoft, which is in a beta form called AZ-720, which is a troubleshooting exam, troubleshooting Microsoft Azure connectivity, which is in beta form right now. And as per Microsoft, on March, they are going to release this in a general availability. So let me give you some brief information about this exam, although very few information is released as of now, and I'm recording this particular session on March 2, 2022. So this exam is very useful for those support guys who are working on a networking and a hybrid environment and going for a troubleshooting connectivity issues between on-premises and Azure. And so this exams talk about the troubleshooting business continuity issues, troubleshooting hybrid and cloud connectivity issues, including platform as a service, authentication issues, network issues, and VM connectivity issues, especially in a hybrid environment. So Microsoft released some skill measures. So first is troubleshoot business continuity is 5 to 10%. Hybrid connectivity between on-premises and Azure is 20 to 25%. PaaS, platform as a service issues, troubleshooting 5 to 10%. And troubleshoot authentication access is approximate 20%. Network troubleshooting is 25 to 30%. And troubleshoot VM connectivity issues is 5 to 10%. And as of now, they are not released any online course as well as instructor-led training because definitely they are going to launch in March full-fledged. If I download the skill outline, so this will give you a very fair idea what topics they are going to ask in this exam. And so when you talk about business continuity, so this is related to troubleshooting backups. Backup is a more component in this, troubleshooting scheduling backup, Azure backup issues, troubleshooting site recovery from a DR perspective, and integrating hybrid scenarios when you are integrating from on-premises Hyper-V to Azure, and agent troubleshootings and recovering the files and the virtual machines. In terms of connectivity between hybrid on-premises to Azure, definitely it's related to VNet. VPN is not working, hub and spoke issues, peering, as well as troubleshooting peered connections. Further, name resolutions, DNS issues is more focus on this particular part of the exam, which includes DNS servers name resolution scenarios, DNS audit logs, private and public DNS capability, what we have in Azure, and domain delegation issues. From a hybrid connectivity VPN perspective, VPN client troubleshooting, Open VPN client, certificate-based VPN authentication, Radius, Azure AD authentication issues, mainly related to point to site. Similarly, site to site, your gateway is not working, how you reset the gateway, how to monitor log analytics issues, and further express route connectivity issues. From a PaaS perspective, so the main focus is on troubleshooting firewall for PaaS and PaaS configuration issues, and then how to connect PaaS with a private link, connecting with virtual networks, endpoints, private endpoints, authentication issues. In this authentication, how we integrate on-premises with Azure, that troubleshooting, Azure AD configuration issues, MFA issues. Those we'll talk about in this part. And last, and Azure AD Connect synchronization issues, connectivity issues between AD and ADFS services with single sign-on, and pass-through and password hashing troubleshooting. Then, from network perspective, if your WAF firewall is blocking something, how you troubleshoot, encryption issues, NSGs, firewall issues, Azure firewall, NAT is not working, latency issues, throttling, service level agreement, response time, then finally routing, including system routes, user-defined routes, and troubleshooting BGP routes, especially in routing scenarios. Then troubleshooting load balancing issues related to Azure Load Balancer, related to Azure Traffic Manager, including front doors, and finally connectivity issues. If you deploy a Bastion host, how you troubleshoot authorization issues, just-in-time VM access if you have Microsoft Defender service. So these are the core focus on topics. So if you are well prepared on these topics and ready for beta exam, good luck for you guys. Or if you want to attend any official training or wait for Microsoft release, that's your another choice. I'll give you this link over my description box to have a more look about the topics. As soon as Microsoft release some more information, I'll update it on my channel. Stay tuned. Have a nice day. Thank you.